Hello everyone, this is Miss Dickerson here, your STEM teacher here at James M. Brown. The month of March is STEM month. Remember that STEM is science, technology, engineering, and math. And so to celebrate STEM month, all of this week, every day, I'm going to be posting a different science experiment with stuff that you most likely have at home. And if you don't have it at home, it is very, very cheap to get and very accessible to get absolutely anywhere. Okay, so for this experiment, you are going to need baking soda, measuring spoons, water, vinegar, and either popcorn kernels that are unpopped, that are not popped, unpopped, is that a word? Or you could use gummy bears, gummy worms, anything that is lightweight that could be easily moved with a liquid you could use, okay? So now I'm going to move my camera, that way you can see exactly what I am doing. So I have a cup right here, and I'm going to pour in some water. You want to add about 1 cup of water. So on my cup right here, it's about 1/4 of my cup. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to my water. So I'm going to slide my baking soda over, and then I'm just going to use a straw to stir up the baking soda and the water. You want to stir this for about 20 to 30 seconds. You just want to try and make sure that the baking soda is as dissolved as possible, okay? So that should be about good. Okay, now you can add as many popcorn kernels or gummy bears, gummy worms as you want. If you want to pour in the whole bag, you can. I don't recommend it, but I'm going to add just a little bit to cover the bottom of my cup. It would help if I actually poured it in the cup, right? That's teaching. All right, I'm just going to pour these in here. Okay. So now you can start to see some of the popcorn kernels that covered the bottom of the cup. Now is the fun part. This part you need to do very, very slow, because if you do not, it will explode and go everywhere. So baking soda and vinegar, whenever they are mixed together, they produce a gas called carbon dioxide. The same gas that whenever you open up a soda, that is what makes the sound whenever you open one up. So we're just going to pour this very slowly. You can pour as much as you want. Just make sure that you do it very slow. And these popcorn kernels will start to dance or move up and down throughout the cup because they are being mixed with the baking soda and the vinegar, okay? All right, so here we go. You want to make sure that whenever you're adding the vinegar that you don't pour it all in at once, because it will start to fizz and the levels will increase. It will about double every time. We're going to pour in a little bit more. I'm going to pour in a little bit more, and then I'm going to stop. So I poured in about 1/2 cup of vinegar slowly. So now you can start to see the popcorn kernels are moving up and down, and they will keep going up and down until all of the carbon dioxide is completely gone from this vinegar baking soda mixture. So they will continue moving. Not sure if you can hear this, but it kind of sounds like whenever you open up a soda, or if you shook a soda and you opened it up really quickly. That's what it reminds me of. So the popcorn kernels will continue rotating up and down, and they will continue doing so until all of the carbon dioxide is completely gone, and eventually over the course of about an hour or so, 45 minutes to an hour, eventually all of the popcorn kernels or gummy bears or gummy worms, whatever you decide to use, will eventually all be back down here at the bottom, because there will not be any more carbon dioxide in this cup. So that is your super easy science experiment. The instructions are written out in this post as well. So if you don't want to watch this video, that's perfectly fine. The instructions are there. So try this at home whenever you guys get there, and be sure to come back tomorrow to see tomorrow's science experiment. Bye, guys.